Everyone, this is KGP Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin the reaction video ang kay Cherise medley naman. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Ang gagaling nila! Cherise Arnigo. Okay. Anong kakantahin niya? Ano? Okay. Ah, okay. Ay? Ay? Babalik, Moira de la Torre. Okay. Babalik sa'yo. Ang ganda ng boses niya, ang lamig. Wow! Oh! Oh my God! Ang lamig ng boses pala nito. Okay. Ang lamig pala nito. Oh my God! Ito na. Magsa-sad song na siya for today's video. Go! Go, Cherise! Grabe yung low notes niya. Oof! Oh, sarap! Oh! Ang gagaling nila lahat! Sarap! Okay. Oh my God. Ben and Ben. Ah, hindi kinanta nito ni Moira pala. Okay. Grabe din yung low notes niya, no? Eh? Oh! Yes! Whew! Grabe! Grabe naman to for today's video. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The medley of Charisse. Nakakaloka. This is KG Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye! Oh my God, ang gagaling nila. Ang gagaling nila. Ang hirap mamili. Iba-ibang genre. May rock, may R&B, tapos ito may pop, mellow pop. Oh my God! Bahala na, no? Bahala na talaga. Lahat deserving. This is KG Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!